demonstrating titling, which is something that is customizable within Automate VX multi-camera speaker tracking solution.
These titles are graphical overlays that get set for each individual seat throughout the room.
You can customize these titles to be exactly what your organization needs. Could be somebody's name, their title, or even an area of the room.
You can adjust the size, the font, or the color, and even add custom graphics to all of these titles.
You can also assign the title per microphone or speaking position in the room.
Assigning these titles is a straightforward process in the Crestron Intelligent Video Room Designer tool.
And once these titles are set up, it's very easy to recall them with a single press of a button.
If your organization is already using one, this solution is smart enough to be able to pull that information from a compatible discussion system, which means every organizer and administrator doesn't need to enter those names for every meeting.
To learn more about titling and other ways to customize Automate VX, please reach out to your Crestron sales representative.